It can feel so frustrating when we feel tired, foggy, and just not ourselves, and we're eating well. But what's the problem isn't what we're eating, but how we're digesting it. In this video, I'll share 3 simple steps to strengthen digestion, support the microbiome, and naturally boost our energy and mood, all by helping our stomach work the way it's designed to. The first step is to support healthy stomach acid levels. Most people think heartburn or reflux comes from too much acid, but in reality, it's usually from too little. When your stomach isn't acidic enough, food can't break down properly. It sits, ferments, and pushes upward, burning into the esophagus. Instead of blocking acid, we want to help the stomach reach its ideal pH of about 1 to 2. We can do this naturally by taking a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a small glass of water before meals. Or for additional support, some people find it useful to take betaine hydrochloride with meals to help restore stomach acidity and improve digestion. If you're on acid-reducing medication, always check with your doctor first. Step 2 is to rebuild our digestion with tools our body needs. Adding digestive enzymes can help the stomach and small intestine fully break down protein, fats, and minerals so that the body can actually absorb what we eat. When we chew our food, our saliva secretes digestive enzymes, and there's also enzymes present in our food. And don't forget protein itself. It provides the key amino acids the gut bacteria need to make key neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA. When digestion is strong and protein is absorbed well, the body and the brain both get what they need to function optimally. Finally, supporting our microbiome, the community of bacteria that directly influences our mood and energy. Using probiotics and probiotic-rich foods to replenish the beneficial strains that make serotonin and GABA. Also consider being mindful of how much sugar and simple carbohydrates we are consuming, as that will feed the harmful bacteria. When your digestion and microbiome are balanced, stress levels drop, inflammation calms down, and energy rises naturally. So remember, support your stomach acid, rebuild digestion, support your microbiome. When we do these 3 things consistently, you'll notice more energy, clearer focus, and a better mood from the inside out. If you'd like to read more, please visit the link below. See you next time.